What if I told you that hidden within Saturn's stunning rings lies an ancient mystery? A mystery that has baffled scientists for decades. This celestial wonder does not just impress us with its beauty. It holds the secrets of ice giants and the origins of our solar system. As we gaze at these mesmerizing rings, we must ask ourselves, what exactly are they hiding? The enigmatic rings of Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system and is renowned for its magnificent rings. Composed primarily of ice and rock particles, these rings create a captivating spectacle. They stretch out over 280,000 kilometers in diameter, but are incredibly thin, often just a few meters thick. Therefore, they spark excitement and curiosity, inspiring many questions about their formation and composition. How did these rings come to be? Are they remnants of a shattered moon, or have they accumulated over millions of years? Scientists continue to study various theories about their origins. Some believe they are the result of an icy moon being torn apart by Saturn's powerful gravity. Others suggest that the rings have existed since the planet formed about 4.5 billion years ago. But there's more than just formation theories. The mysteries don't stop with their origins. The rings contain elements that tell their own stories. Scientists use advanced techniques to analyze the chemical makeup of the rings, learning about their age and the conditions in the solar system. What secrets do these elements keep from us? The ice giants connection. The term ice giants refers to planets like Uranus and Neptune. Few people know that the study of Saturn's rings can actually help us understand these ice giants better. Both types of planets share similar compositions and characteristics, but they differ significantly in their structures and atmospheres. What can Saturn teach us about these distant worlds? For example, scientists posit that Saturn's rings are analogous to the environments around these ice giants. Studying the rings helps us to fathom how ice giants may have formed and what processes have influenced their evolution. Could examining Saturn provide keys to unlocking the many mysteries still surrounding Uranus and Neptune? One of the exciting features observed in Saturn's rings is the presence of small moons, referred to as moonlets. These moonlets interact with the ring particles and can even act like shepherds, keeping the rings in shape. Their existence hints at a dynamic community within the rings, much like ecosystems found on Earth. A counterintuitive revelation. Here lies an astonishing truth. Many people believe that Saturn's rings are solid, thriving structures when, in reality, they are an elaborate collaboration of countless tiny particles. These particles can range in size from grains of sand to gigantic boulders. The composition is also largely ice, but it includes dust and other materials, creating a constantly changing landscape. This misconception leads to the idea that the rings are stable and unchanging. However, they constantly evolve and interact with Saturn's gravitational pull. Scientists have observed the rings fluctuating and shifting, demonstrating their unpredictable nature. What does this movement reveal about the forces at play in our solar system? The role of Cassini. The Cassini spacecraft, which orbited Saturn from 2004 to 2017, has been pivotal in unraveling the secrets of the planet and its rings. It provided invaluable data, capturing thousands of stunning images and measurements. These have shaped our understanding of the rings' structure and behavior. Thanks to Cassini, we learned about the rings' age, revealing that they are much younger than Saturn itself. This changes the narrative of the solar system's history. Far from being permanent fixtures, Saturn's rings may eventually dissipate entirely. How does this fleeting existence challenge our views on planetary formation and longevity? Furthermore, Cassini's findings unveiled the existence of complex features within the rings, such as waves and gaps. Understanding these is crucial to mastering the dynamics of the Saturnian system. Each wave and gap senses the gravitational influence of the moonlets, unveiling a hidden dance in this cosmic ballet. The future of exploration. What's next for exploring Saturn and its mesmerizing rings? More missions planned for the future promise to provide further insights. As technology advances, researchers hope to send new spacecraft to gather even more detailed information. These next-generation missions could finally answer some of the lingering questions about the formation of planets and their rings. Exploration will likely focus on a more detailed study of the moonlets and their interactions with the rings. By understanding these smaller celestial bodies, we might uncover more about the history and evolution of the Saturn system. How will this knowledge impact our understanding of the universe and our place within it? The final mystery awaits. As we look to the future, the allure of Saturn's rings continues to inspire both scientists and dreamers alike. Every new piece of information sparks more curiosity, pushing us to ask deeper questions. What lies beneath the surface of those beautiful ice particles? Will we ever unlock the final mysteries they guard? Each time we explore the cosmos, we realize how much we still have to learn. Saturn's icy rings are just one chapter in the grand story of our universe, which is filled with endless wonder. Are you ready to embark on the quest to uncover the secrets that await in the great unknown? Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries of space? What questions do you have about our universe that you'd like answered?